Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 284th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade lemonade, but this isn't your ordinary lemonade. We're going to make a Brazilian style lemonade. And the Brazilian lemonade is different than the American lemonade. They use sweetened condensed milk and ice, and they make it in the blender. It's like a frothy. It is delicious. It is thebomb.com, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this would be great for the 4th of July coming up, or any barbecues or picnics. And if you're looking for a different twist of lemonade, y'all would enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my Brazilian recipes playlist and also my other lemonade recipes. I also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your lemons, your limes, and your sweetened condensed milk sugar, because we're about to make some Brazilian lemonade magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! All right, my friends, in my blender, we're going to add in 4 cups of cold water. And over here, I have my lemons and limes. I'm using 2 lemons and 2 limes. And I cut them into chunks. We're going to pour this into the water. And we're going to put it on a low post for 10 seconds. Alright, my friends, I'm through posting the water and the citrus. And on camera, I strained the juice so that way we don't get any excess pulp. Okay, my friends, in the blender, we're going to add in the citrus juice. 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, 1 teaspoon of lime extract, and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to pulse it until it's frothy. Alright, my friend, this is what the lemonade looked like. It's nice and frothy. Alright, that was great. And over here I have some ice. We're going to put this in. It's for the taste. So now we're going to pulse it again until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Brazilian lemonade. And I poured them in my mason jars garnished with lemon and lime. That looks heavenly, delicious, and gorgeous. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers. So refreshing, so creamy. This is mighty tasty, my friends. Please give this Brazilian lemonade a try. This is extremely amazing. This deserves another sip. Oh yeah. Brazilian lemonade-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Have a wonderful 4th of July, my friends. Cheers.